Ever dreamed of editing an Excel file with your team as if you were all in the same room, no matter where you are? Well, with Dropbox, that dream is a reality, and today I'm going to show you exactly how to edit shared Excel files from Dropbox. Seamlessly, this is a game changer for team collaboration. First things first, ensure the Excel file you want to collaborate on is already stored within your Dropbox account. If it's not, simply upload it. Now, open your Dropbox desktop application or the Dropbox website. Locate the Excel file you wish to share. Right-click on the file if you're using the desktop app, or click the Share button if you're on the website. In the sharing dialog box, you'll enter the email addresses of the team members you want to collaborate with. You can also set their permission levels, deciding if they can only view the file or also edit it. Once shared, anyone with editing access can open the Excel file directly from their Dropbox. The magic happens here: multiple people can be editing different cells at the same time, and Dropbox and Excel work together to show these changes live. See those little indicators? They show you who else is in the file and what they're working on. This prevents accidental overwrites and makes it easy to see who's making which modification. Worried about losing changes? Dropbox has your back with robust version control. You can easily see past versions of your spreadsheet, allowing you to revert to an earlier state if needed. So, to recap, store your file in Dropbox, share it with your team, and then everyone can edit together in real time. It's that simple. This collaborative editing feature for shared Excel files in Dropbox is a powerful tool for efficient teamwork.